We are on our way to Detroit, Michigan from the Ann Arbor area to go shoot some promo content for Vanguard. This is gonna suck. Filming some stuff for Vanguard. Vanguard tripods, bags. Jacob?
Dan.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Not only did I forget ND filter, I forgot gloves too. The gloves I bought yesterday in Chicago.
Oh God.
The guitarists have jetpacks. There we go.
I like much better. F1.4.
God. Must. I bought them for a reason.
Cold hands, is that the reason?
Yeah, yeah.
How's going back to Florida sound right now?
Sounds incredible. I can't wait. This is cold. This is very, very cold.
For whatever reason, it always feels a hell of a lot colder down here than it does.
This is on the water. Calling it. I'm gonna get sick. Campus marshes. Campus marshes? I wouldn't be surprised if I try to buy a pair of boots before I leave Detroit or Ann Arbor. Slow-mo, my feet walking, my naked ankles. Where's Moosejaw? Up there? Woo! We're going to Moosejaw, trying to find some boots, and then off to Ypsilanti to shoot another scene at the coffee shop, the B24s. I think we're good to go. Awesome, thank you guys so much. Really appreciate it, all right? All right, take care. Thank you. Thank you, Moosejaw. Moosejaw of Detroit. Downtown Detroit. Y'all were very nice to me. Really appreciate it. Much nicer than Astro Coffee. We're out here at B24's Espresso Bar in Ypsilanti, Michigan, setting up this wide shot. We got Jacob back here on the Ronin. We are done at B24's, and to go film some or record some voiceovers. I think that's it for the day. Check, check, check. Check, I'm popping there. Check, 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 check. It is Friday afternoon. I am sorry, I totally forgot about you guys last night. My phone had no more memory on it. My camera, all the batteries were dead, so I did not get to say goodbye. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for today's video where it's snowing a lot, and yeah, Saturday, new video. Yeah, just subscribe. See you guys tomorrow.